Misumi Economy. Stepper Motor Wiring and Configuration Guide. Stepper Motor Wiring Diagrams. First, connect the motor to the drive. Then check the wiring according to the wiring diagram at the bottom of the motor to make sure it is connected correctly. Next, connect the 24 VDC power supply to the drive. Finally, connect the control signal using the NPN configuration. If you want to use the PNP configuration, change the wiring according to the circuit shown on the right. Stepper Motor DIP Switch Setting. The first table shows the motor current settings. To ensure safe operation, the RMS current should be set to no more than 80% of the motor's rated current. This helps protect the motor from overheating and prevents potential damage. The DIP switch position should be set according to the reference table for SW1, SW2, and SW3. The second table shows the pulse per revolution, pulse/rev, settings. This value should be adjusted to match the pulse signal sent from the PLC. If a higher motor speed is required, the pulse/rev setting should be increased to provide finer resolution. The PLC pulse output must also be increased accordingly to achieve the reference speed shown in the table. The DIP switch position should be set according to the reference table for SW5, SW6, SW7, and SW8. Thank you for watching. Presentation by TS Team.